video we are going to teach you how to view the current misfire count on a 2014 Nissan Rogue using the X-431 torque. First select Nissan. Confirm the software version and select OK. Select the vehicle with 16 pin. Confirm the van and select OK. Select automatic selection. Confirm the vehicle and select OK. Select system selection. Select engine control module. A system info screen will appear. Select OK. Select special function. Select misfire count. A system info screen will appear. Please read and select OK. On this screen you can see the current misfire count per cylinder. Once complete, select the back arrow. And that's how to view the current misfire count on a 2014 Nissan Rogue.